Hello, I'm here to show you how to get more out of ShaarHamet.com, to get more out of this website, where things are located, and easy way to do search. So this is on the left side is the desktop version of the website, and on the right side is the mobile version of the website. So both of them are linked to ShaarHamet.com. So as you can see, the menu on the desktop version is on top. On the mobile side, on the mobile version website, is this sandwich bar menu. If you tap on it, you'll see those menu comes up. As well as on the left side, you see there's a search text box, and the search text box is on the right for the mobile device. Okay, let's start with the search. Search is very smart here. The moment you start typing, it pre-populates for what you're looking for. For instance, let's search for Shabbat. So the moment I start typing Shabbat, it gives me the options that I'm looking for. For instance, it shows me there's a Shabbat book, right? I'm gonna talk about the store, it's a bit later. So we have candle lighting, right? We have events going on, and so on and so forth. So it found many lectures, but it also brought you the first lectures related to Shabbat. Okay, in our case, it brought Talmud Shabbat and so on and so forth in Russian. So say that you wanna just dismiss this and you're looking for Shabbat lectures, any lectures. So in this case, you enter. So once you enter, it gives you 102 result. Okay, so with that you can scroll the website and look till you find the one that you're looking for. Okay, I'm going to play one of them just for demo purpose. Okay, when I start playing, right, look what happens.
Сегодня мы продолжаем.
So as you can see, the moment I paused, right, it gives me an option to download SoundCloud. But the way to escape this is to close this. On the right side, on the menu, for the search, right, you also would type here Shabbat and press enter. It will also give you the options to the Shabbat lectures or Shabbat related topics. Okay, again, I will tap on one of the lectures and look what's happening here. Same on the play SoundCloud buttons and listen in the browser. So I personally prefer listen in the browser. Why? Because if you play on the SoundCloud, it will take you out of our website and it will redirect you to SoundCloud. You better, or I better, should say, listen in the browser.
Мы продолжаем занятия Талмудом.
It's more convenient and it keeps you on the same website. Okay, so more things on menu. So we have a home, right? We have a mega disc. To those people who still doesn't know about the mega disc, we have lots of them. You can click on any of those mega disc using your desktop version of the website of ShaarHamet or the mobile website. So in our case, right, we're going to select Megadisk, and as you can see, one of them is showing horizontally, right, and one of them is showing vertically. Anyway, so if I'll go with Mega 1, right, it has compiled version of the disk with all the lectures that Rabbi Daniel compiled and had that on disk. So you have version of disk that you can listen, and it also on SoundCloud, as you can see. Okay, that was a mega disk. So on audio side, on audio, I'll do the same on the web, mobile. Whatever I do, right, I do the same thing on the mobile side. So this way you also know how it reflects the mobile website. So the audio has 3 different languages, right? So in our platforms, Rabbi Daniel speaks many languages. To name a few, he speaks Russian, English, and Hebrew. So he gives a lecture in Russian, English, and Hebrew. He also knows Bukharian, Persian, whatever. He knows a lot of languages, Baruch Hashem. So in any case, so here's the topic about listen in Russian. Okay, same goes here. So as you can see, the list of lectures are populated in Russian. On the left side, you see to select the menu for the list, if you will. For instance, it's a category, if you will, right? So if you want to listen holidays, right, lectures, you click on that holidays list, and here you go, right? Same goes on the mobile devices. So that's the category, right? Show category on the right side on blue. If you tap on it on a mobile device, and you can see it also gives you options to select from. Okay, and in this case, like I promised, I'm going to follow the same thing. So holidays, and as you can see, holidays, and I'll choose any of those holidays, right? And as you can see, they are similar, except for there's the mobile versions and the desktop version. Okay, let's go further. Under the video. So, under the video, we also have 3 different languages that we support: Russian, English, and Hebrew. In this examples, I'm focusing mostly on Russian. We have lots of English as well, but let's go with Russian. So, by the way, on our website we have lots of mini clips. We try to compile them as much as we, follow up with Rabbi. So this is the website, and the desktop version, and same for mobile version. And now that I showed you about the mini clip, right, what happens when you click on any of those, right, it takes you to the next screen where Rabbi Daniel, shares with you the knowledge of the Torah. In this case, how Torah talks to you, okay? So in this case, I just play, and it,
Есть люди, которые удостоились, что каждый шаббат, когда они выходят на Сефер Тору,
this is how it plays, and so on. So now that we understand how it goes, we're going to be, into the next, which is donation, right? Which people allow to donate. Okay, so here in the donation we have a lot of options for people. We made easy way for people to donate. Okay, so there is a donate by check, donate by Zelle, so the donate by bank transfer, donate by PayPal, and so on and so forth. So you have any questions about donations, right? You can reach out to Rav Daniel any given time, except of course for Shabbat and Yom Tov. Okay, so let's get into contact us. That's what I was asking you. If you have any questions, please reach out to Rav Daniel Cohen. This is his personal cell phone. Okay, this is what I'm showing you here. Contact us. Okay, you can write us. Moving to the next, candlelight. Ooh, this is very important. I use this a lot. Okay, so candlelight. So it says that it takes from the time that's it's specifically only for New York. Okay, for New York City. Time. So there's a store that I promised you to show you. Here's the store. In the store we have a lot of products, right? You can go ahead and say whatever you're looking at. Say that's the Shabbat Kodesh, and guess what? Who is the author? Rav Daniel Cohen. He's the author of Shabbat Kodesh, so and so and so forth. So, and we have under more, we have informational advertisements. If anybody, actually this is something to let you know all, if you need to advertise something on our platform, on our website, you can do this by contacting Rav Daniel. And there's a useful links. Okay, so in useful links we still working on it, and there's a lot like ShaarHamet. If I click on it, it's supposed to give me a link to this, right? And it redirects me to the links that I said, right? It's an informational, advertisement, and useful links. In any case, that was it. Okay, same useful links goes here, and under the useful links we have as you can see ShaarHamet, and that's it. That was our website, and please reach out to me. My name is Nisim. My phone number is 718-753-9123, or reach out to Rabbi Daniel. He'll guide you, or he'll ask me to guide you in any questions you have. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.